Hi, we are taking a video to explain the positive and the negative for this color light. So if we look at here, the red is at the bottom of the video, positive, and the black, negative, is at the top of the connection. So in that case, by looking at here, we will clearly understand that the pin is positive. The pin equals the hole here. And then if we measure the resistance for this sauna, this hole is the white cable. The white cable connected to the black cable that has white or gray strip on it. So this one, the other, this cable don't have anything, this wire. So again, for this sauna, the white that connected the wire which has gray strip on it, that's the positive. Thank you.